Hello, good mornings to all. Now in this class we do some numerical exercise based on DC load line. So here is a problem. In this problem, the question is draw the load line for the following figure. Here is a figure, and we have to also calculate IC at saturation point and VC at cutoff points. So first we draw the load line. Now this circuits. Here is a plus 20 volt. So what is this? It is connected to collector. So actually this is a VCC. Here is 10 volt. So what is this? VV. So in this circuit we have to draw the load line. To draw load line we doesn't require input load. We require only output load. So this circuit is just like this. So we start from here. We can write here applying KVL at आउटपुट लोड. जब भी हमें लोड लाइन ड्रा करना है वी कैन अप्लाई KVL एट आउटपुट लोड. तो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. अ बैटरी प्लस इस 20 वोल्ट वाली इस बैटरी यही वाली वोल्टेज है सेम है तो प्लस 20. अगेन वी रीच हियर. द करंट इज हियर इज IC and resistor is RC. So this is plus, this is minus. Current is coming minus from minus sign. So minus IC into RC is a 3.3 kilo ohm. And here is collector and here is emitter. So the voltage between collector and emitter is a VCE. Here is plus sign and here is minus because it is NPN transistor. So again current is coming from minus sign. So we are putting minus VCE equal to 0. Then we have to draw a load line. Load line means one axis is IC and the axis is VC. The load line is exist on the output curve. Now we require 2 points. So for first point we put IC is equal to 0. Suppose this is question number 1. In equation 1, so what we'll get? We get VC equal to 20 volt. IC 0 put कर दीजिए. Now put IC 0, तो VC is equal to 20. So we get somewhere here is 20 volt. For example, somewhere here is a 20 volt. This is VCC. Now for second point we put VC is a 0 in equation 1. Put this is equation number 1. VC is a 0. When VC is a 0, what will be the IC? IC is a 20 divided by 3.3 kilo. So then IC is equal to 20 divided by 3.3 kilo ohms and this becomes 6 milliampere. So what we get when VC is a 0, IC is a 6 milliampere. At this point VC is a 0 and IC is a 6 milliampere. Now we draw a line between these 2 points. So it is our DC load line. Now in this question there is again one more thing we require. IC current at saturation points. So this is IC saturation. After this, when current we draw line here, after this we are entering into a saturation region. So this is a threshold point after which we reach at saturation region. So this point is also known as IC saturation. And we are also required VC cutoff. So below this we are inside a cutoff region. So this point is a VC cutoff. So IC saturation, what is this? It is 6 milliampere. VC cutoff, what is VC cutoff? It is again a 20 volt. ठीक है, that is answer. Now we goes to next numerical problem. Note here. In this problem, we have to calculate VC and VB, voltage across collector and voltage across base for the circuits. And given here, beta की value given है 45 and BE, voltage between base and emitter, is the 0.7 volts. And this is the circuits. Now in this circuit, look carefully. So here is a capacitor and input. This is small letter V in. This is the AC input. So we have to generally find the value of DC current. VC हमें ये निकालनी, जो करंट निकालनी, ये DC करंट है, DC वोल्टेज है. तो when we have to find the DC values, तो we make AC value 0. तो for DC analysis, capacitor is working as a open circuits. For DC, capacitor is working as a open circuit. तो हम ये दोनों कैपेसिटर हटा देंगे. ये भी कैपेसिटर हटा दिया हमने और ये भी कैपेसिटर. इसका हमारा कोई मतलब नहीं रह गया. We directly start without the value of capacitor. Now we require voltage across base. Here is a base. Here is collector and here is emitter. तो हमें इस पॉइंट वोल्टेज चाहिए. So for finding the values of voltage at these points, we have to apply KVL at input loop. We write here applying KVL at input loop. Now what this current is here, this is IB, and voltage between these two is simple sum, means here is RB ground, here is minus VEE. So this is input loop. So input loop make ground here again. This is minus sign, to put negative sign upper top and plus sign here. This is base, this is ammeter. The voltage between base and emitter is BE. This plus, this minus, because it is a NPN transistor. So what is loop? We comes from here, base, then this potential, VE potential, then a battery, this batteries, and then we reach to a ground. This is complete loop, input loop. So then apply KVL. Current is IB here. So this plus, this minus, because the direction of current is like this. So we are giving here minus IB RB. Again this plus, this minus, to minus BE. Again coming from plus, plus VEE equal to 0. So we can calculate here IB. So what will be the value of IB? So IB is a VEE minus BE, VEE minus VE divided by RB. So in this question, VEE is given 9 volt, VEE is 9, and this is given in 0.7. अगर 0.7 given नहीं है तो भी हम इसको 0.7 ही मानेंगे, ठीक है, because the base emitter junction is working as a forward bias diode, और forward bias diode का नी voltage is 0.7 हम assume करते हैं, it is safe. And here is RB is here in this question, it is 100 kilo ohm. 100 kilo ohm. Now calculate this value, and this value comes out 83 microampere. Okay, so now we calculate base current. Second thing, we calculate collector current IC. What is IC? IC is equal to beta IB. In this question, beta is 45. So 45 into 83 microampere, and this comes out 3.775 milliampere. Okay. Now we calculate VC. What is VC? Here is C. So what is VC? it is 0 minus ICRC. 0 minus ICRC. IC is minus is here, 3.775 milliampere into RC is a 1.2 kilo ohm, and this values goes to minus 4.482. Second, we calculate VB. What is V? This is a VB. Here is voltage. So we have to find this voltage across this. So voltage across this is here. So here is BE and VEE. There is two voltages. So we can add here. This is a BE plus VEE. Now it's come 0.7 minus 9. Now it is minus 8.3 volt. ठीक है, प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस, सॉरी here is minus and here, because it is base. What is voltage? Plus minus, it is minus, so we have to plus VE minus VEE. So plus VE minus VEE, 0.7 minus 9, it is becomes 8.3. So that is answer. Thank you.